Alright guys, by a show of hands, who out there considers themselves an alpha male? Good, a lot of you. But what if we asked your friends, your family, your girlfriend? Exactly, you're not quite so sure, right? Because it's about perception, what other people think of you. The good news though, is that a lot of you are more alpha than you even realize. And today I'm gonna go over 10 subtle signs that you are the alpha. The first subtle sign that you are an alpha male and don't even know it is that other people come and ask you for advice. If they don't value your opinion and think you've got your shit together, they're not coming and asking you for advice. When you're the alpha male in your friendships or your relationships, people are always coming and asking for advice, asking for help. The downside to this is that other people, when they view you as an alpha, they also view you as never having problems. And so a lot of times they never ask if you're okay. One of the reasons for this is because of the second subtle sign that you're an alpha male. You don't bitch and complain. Alpha males are very stoic. They have problems, but they internalize them and realize that bitching and complaining don't actually fix the problem. You have problems, but you solve them because an alpha male knows that he is capable of anything. Bring us to the third subtle sign that you're an alpha male. You take charge of situations, right? When there's a situation, a lot of people that are beta, they're looking around for help. I don't know what to do, but you're an alpha. You're like, yo, it's all right. Let's think about this for a second. How are we going to solve the problem? And you do. Cool. Under pressure. Fourth subtle sign that you are an alpha male, people ask you for workout or diet advice. Alpha males are notorious for taking care of the temple, aka that sexy ass body. They work out, they eat right. Your friends and sometimes strangers will just come up to you and be like, yo, what are you doing for this? They view you as somebody who is physically strong or has got it going on. And so they are always asking you for advice, they're asking you for tips, they're trying to get what you got. Speaking of what you got, number 5, the alpha male's got amazing skin. Just like your body, the alpha male is not afraid to take care of his face. He's not embarrassed. He's not like, oh, that's just for chicks. No, he's like, yo, I want to be handsome as f. The alpha male knows that Tiege Hanley equals handsome as f. Gentlemen, here's the deal. If you are wanting to improve your alpha status, you got to make sure that that handsome face of yours is taken care of. The only way you're going to do that is with a solid, super solid skincare routine. Bottom line is this. If you want to make sure that you look incredible, not only now, like 5, 10, 100 years from now, when your dead ass is dead, you got to make sure you hit that link down below and check out Tiege Hanley. We got a killer deal. We've got 3 systems, level 1, level 2, level 3. Take care of your body, you work out, you eat right? Why are you not doing anything for your face? You got to. If you don't, you're gonna look old, you're gonna look unhandsome, you're going to just not age well. And I know you're young right now, but let me tell you something. As you get older, it gets harder. And starting young, starting now, is the only way you're gonna make sure that you look incredibly handsome and alpha forever. Guys, link below, discount code. We also have Acne system for those of you out there suffering with breakouts. We got 1, level 2. But if you don't want to be alpha and you want to be beta and wrinkled and ugly, hey, that's your prerogative. Let me just throw this out there. Even if you don't use Tiege Hanley, guys, you got to make sure you're doing something for your face, for your skin. The reason I'm pushing Tiege Hanley is A, it's my company, B, it's the best value, the best bang for your skincare buck on the market. We don't give you 2,700 products. We give you the essentials, the basic products that every guy needs to look amazing. Number 6. People copy your style, the way of dressing, maybe your hair, maybe your facial hair. If you've got friends that always seem to be like copying like what you're doing, chances are they view you as the alpha male. View you and your style as more stylish than them, and they want to copy because they want to look as dynamite as you, when the reality is all they need to do is subscribe the AaMaLphaM YouTube channel. I'm dropping bombs of knowledge. The 7th subtle sign that you are an alpha male is that you take care of yourself emotionally. When you deal with your shit, you don't let things like fester and just like push them under the rug. If you've got an issue, you're gonna figure out a way to deal with it because you know that emotionally you've got to be right. If you're not, you're gonna be all pissed off all the time and definitely not kicking life's ass. Bringing us to the 8th subtle sign that you are indeed an alpha male is you have the ability to focus on what's important. People that are betas, in my opinion, are people that get all distracted by things that really don't matter, really aren't important. Big picture, baby, the alpha male has goals. He's got places to be, people to see, and senoritas to slay. He's a gentleman, which wasn't on the list, but it should have been. The 9th way that you know that you are an alpha male is that you don't take shit from people. Something I had a very difficult time doing for the majority of my life. I would let people walk all over me, treat me bad because I had a difficult time standing up for myself. But I went to therapy. I took the necessary steps in order to make sure that I felt good about myself, and I started standing up for myself. It's hard. Saying no is hard, but it's critical if you want to make sure that you don't get the life sucked out of you. Because a lot of times, if you're a people pleaser like I am, you're going to put other people's needs in front of your own. The alpha male? No, sir. I'll help you, but you're not going to treat me like shit. The last and final subtle sign that you are an alpha male is you're confident. He's confident and hits a mean-ass spin jump when he needs to break it out. Gentlemen, it's all about confidence. If you're confident, if you feel good about yourself, gentlemen, let me tell you something. You are so damn alpha, it's ridiculous. I love you. You're incredible. You're beautiful. You don't need to be 6'3", 250 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal to be alpha. Confident in his body language, in his speech, in the way that he approaches life. Believe in yourself because you are absolutely amazing.